Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So, ito na yung ginawa natin ng mock-up design last time and then the design. So, dito, piniprint na natin siya. It was already approved by our client na yung design guys. So, ito na yung output ng printing niya guys. Sharp quality pa rin tayo dito guys. So, quality talaga tayo dito. We are aiming for the best quality for our design, our printing, so that the client will be satisfied for our product and qualities. Ayan. Yan na yung design natin. So, ito pala, makita nyo, meron din itong mga names na ginawa natin. Ayan. Meron din tayong ginawa ng mock-up and design reviews lang. So, ito na yung isa sa mga design na na-approve natin. So, ito pala guys is from Kabakan, Cotabato. Kabakan Wesleyan Academy Incorporated. So, ito na yung design nila. Ito pa rin natin printin sa ating large format na printer para mas madali yung pagtatrabaho natin guys. The quality, the design, high quality yung print natin, yung output, yung printing. Then afterwards nito, matapos natin to i-print, so proceed na naman tayo dun sa pag-heat press ng ating lanyards. So ito na yung full video ng ating pag-print. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So if you'd like to know more about printing services, printing tutorial, just visit our YouTube channel. Meron tayong doon, mga tutorial for printing. Ito din kung paano ginawa tong lanyard. Meron din tayong tutorial doon. Actual tutorial talaga yun guys. Just scroll down, makikita niyo yung mga iba't ibang mga tutorial para sa ating printing services. If you'd like to start a new business like this printing services, you can proceed there and watch our tutorial. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and then comment down below, and then also like na rin guys sa ating video. Thank you for watching guys.